LA's the air turns crisp and the days grow shorter. The porch becomes more than just a threshold, it transforms into a place of invitation, of comfort, of seasonal magic. Fall porch decor is a timeless tradition that brings the essence of the season right to your doorstep. Whether you're drawn to the cozy scent of cinnamon, the golden hues of changing leaves, or the satisfying crunch of footsteps on scattered pumpkins, there's something uniquely welcoming about a well-decorated autumn porch. In this journey through fall porch inspiration, we'll explore ideas that blend tradition and creativity, ranging from the timeless beauty of mums and pumpkins to modern twists and atmospheric lighting. From simple DIYs to style-forward accents, your fall porch can become the perfect reflection of autumn's quiet magic. A cozy fall porch starts with atmosphere. Think layered doormats with plaid and jute textures, lanterns nestled beside vintage crates, and a warm color palette that mirrors the changing leaves, deep rusts, earthy browns, muted oranges, and mustard yellows. Throw in a chunky knit blanket tossed over a wooden bench, or an oversized basket filled with firewood and wheat stalks to complete the look. Don't forget the personal touches. A handwritten "Hello Fall" sign or a wooden ladder strung with eucalyptus garlands brings in that homemade warmth. It's about creating a scene that whispers, "Come sit a while," and encourages people to pause and savor the season. Loving these cozy porch vibes? Like and share this video with anyone decorating for the fall season. DIY fall porch decor doesn't just save money, it adds heart. Use old picture frames to create your own rustic signs with chalk paint or stencils. Turn mason jars into glowing luminaries with battery-operated candles and dried leaves pressed against the glass. Create a wreath from leftover burlap, faux berries, and miniature pumpkins, items you likely already have in your crafting stash. Another charming DIY idea is a stack of wooden pallets turned into a vertical pumpkin patch, painted with quirky jack-o'-lantern faces. These projects don't need to be perfect. In fact, the imperfections make them feel even more authentically autumn. Which fall element is a must for your porch? Stacked pumpkins, lanterns, or mums? Tell us in the comments. No fall porch is complete without the floral drama of chrysanthemums. With their bursts of gold, burgundy, and white, mums are a fall staple, and rightfully so. Pair them with ornamental cabbages and kale, and place them in mismatched pots or rustic crates for a charming farmhouse look. Flank your front steps with layered floral arrangements, tall in the back, cascading in the front. Intertwine garlands of faux maple leaves between them for added depth. Even a small space can bloom with autumn energy when you embrace the texture and volume that fall florals bring. Want more fall inspiration and seasonal styling tips? Subscribe now and don't miss what's coming next. Imagine a crisp evening, a mug of cider, and a porch swing layered in throw pillows. This is fall seating at its finest. Textiles do the heavy lifting here. Introduce flannel cushions, burlap runners on benches, and plaid throws draped across chairs to invite comfort. If your porch is larger, add a small table and 2 chairs with burnt orange seat covers, creating the perfect spot for sipping coffee or reading. Even a cozy nook with a rocking chair can become a seasonal escape when layered with soft materials in rich autumn shades. For those who lean minimal, the modern fall porch is all about curated restraint. Stick to a neutral palette, whites, creams, charcoals, with pops of copper or matte black. Use white pumpkins in varied sizes stacked in sleek arrangements, complemented by dried pampas grass in sculptural vases. Geometric lanterns with Edison bulbs add a soft industrial glow, while simple signage, black script on white backgrounds, keeps things streamlined. The modern fall porch is not about excess, but about form, texture, and mood. It's elegance with an edge. When the sun dips earlier in the sky, your porch lighting takes center stage. Create a soft, enchanting glow with strings of warm white fairy lights wrapped around railings or overhead beams. Lanterns filled with candles, real or battery-powered, cast flickering shadows across pumpkins and planters. Pumpkins are the undeniable stars of fall decor, but how you use them is what creates the magic. Stacking pumpkins by size and color can create elegant towers. Try alternating hues, white, green, and orange, for contrast. Carving? Go beyond spooky, try leaf patterns, stars, or your house number for a welcoming glow. Painted pumpkins add another layer of personality. From chalkboard paint with daily messages to metallic tones for a touch of glam, there's no limit to how you can transform these gourds. As the seasons shift and autumn quietly takes its place, our homes begin to mirror the rhythm of nature. And nowhere is this more visible, more felt, than right outside our front doors. The fall porch becomes a threshold, not just between inside and out, but between summer's end and winter's beginning. It's a place where the textures of the season take shape in every corner and on every step. Every bundle of wheat leans gently against weathered wood. Every lantern flickers with the softness of a setting sun. Every pumpkin, whether stacked, carved, or painted, tells a story of harvest and warmth. And every cushion, throw, and mum blooms with the spirit of cozy welcome. Fall porch decor is not about perfection, it's about presence. It's the dried leaves scattered by the wind, the slightly crooked welcome sign made by hand. It's the way the golden hour light catches on your wreath and makes it glow like a memory. It's the invitation to pause, to breathe in, to come home. When we decorate our porches for fall, we're not just styling a space, we're curating a feeling. We're offering hospitality before a door even opens. We're reminding ourselves and others that this is a season to be grounded. A season that gently asks us to slow down. There's magic in the little things. In the sound of boots on a bristled welcome mat. In the way mums nod their heads in the evening breeze. In the soft, distant crackle of a fire pit as dusk arrives. Your porch becomes a passage into autumn itself. A place to rest a hot drink and wrap up in your favorite blanket. A place for friendly hellos and long goodbyes under starry skies. A place for memories to be made, for moments to linger. Whether you've chosen to decorate with earthy tones or bright oranges. With thrifted finds or sleek, modern lines. Whether your space is grand with sweeping steps or tiny with just a corner nook. It's yours. And in that, it's perfect. There's beauty in the quiet layering of textures. In the contrast between cool stone and soft fabric. In the way a candle's flame flickers just once, then steadies, glowing gently. Even the bare branches above hold space for the story you're telling. Fall is a season of gratitude, of looking back with warmth and ahead with peace. And your porch can hold all of that in a single glance. A cozy chair. A pumpkin stack. A leaf garland dancing in the wind. Together, they say, this is home. As daylight shortens and the stars appear a little earlier, your porch becomes not just a space, but a beacon. A quiet glow in the cool evening. A reminder that comfort is close. A symbol that in a world that moves fast, some places still slow down. Let the chipped paint show. Let the hay scatter a little. Let the door creak. Let the candle drip. Let it all feel lived in, and loved, and layered with memory. That's what fall asks of us, not perfection, but presence. So whether you're sipping cider in solitude, or welcoming friends with the scent of cinnamon in the air, know that your fall porch has become more than just decor. It's become a moment. A feeling. A memory in the making. As the leaves fall gently all around, and the air whispers its first hints of winter, your porch stands steady, wrapped in warmth. Lit softly by intention, by creativity, and by care. Because fall isn't just a season outside your home. It's a season you bring to life, with every wreath, every pillow, every pumpkin. And in doing so, your porch doesn't just welcome the world, it welcomes the wonder. One flickering lantern, one cozy throw, one glowing moment at a time.